So you and Next Door Capital, it's a pretty young firm, right? Or not well known, maybe not one of the 20, 30 years around.
Yeah.
But you guys had phenomenal success to get some into some of the most hardest data companies. What do you think is what do you attribute that to?
Yeah. Well, first of all, thank you for saying that. I think very highly, obviously, of Datamir as
Thank
one
you.
of them.
Well, cheers on that.
Oh, cheers. Cheers.
Oh, that's good. So maybe a
Refreshing.
little lemon, yeah?
Yeah, let's do a
Is
little
that
bit
the
of lemon
idea?
there. Yeah, just put a little in there.
Okay.
To your question of, us being a younger firm, yes, we got started actually in 2009. The firm is actually pulling together what we think is the rising stars from various different firms. All of the general partners of this firm came from established expansion stage enterprise focused firms, all with $1 billion to $5 billion in AUM. We kind of came together with a shared vision of being able to be a next generation VC firm. What that really included is being focused on the expansion stage. What it also included was being deep and thematic in the sectors we know. We think of it as top decile knowledge will get us top decile results. So that thematic approach is deep investment and expertise in areas such as big data, software as a service, storage, infrastructure management, and others. And then lastly, it's our key added value, which I think we're trying to help Datamir with, particularly helpful with your background, is the European expansion platform. We're unique in that we're the only VC firm that provides a distinct European expansion platform to help our US-based companies expand there. So I'd say the combination of focus on the expansion stage, thematic approach, and then also our European expansion platform, that's been a key differentiator and highly complementary to existing investors, but also, I would say most importantly, to seeing how CEOs see us. Can we be a value-added board member? Can we be somebody who knows your space as deep as possible? And quite frankly, I want to make sure that in every company that we invest in, are we, if not the most value-added board member, pretty close.
Yeah. Can we talk a little bit more about that European expansion platform? I mean, that was super helpful for us, and I think definitely one reason we were very much drawn into partnering with you guys.
Yeah.
So if you do an enterprise software startup, and I happen to grow up in Europe, obviously, but it's so hard to kind of take it from the 0 to 1 or maybe 3 million, and then actually take it to 10 or 100 and really build truly a global company. And I think you guys doing some really cool stuff there. Can you just double click a little bit, explain how you take companies from here over there?
Absolutely. Maybe just to kind of level set of our view on the market. Europe is very, very important. I mean, you can see it even with the public companies out there. Salesforce is going to invest $1 billion just to be able to expand into Germany and France. $1 billion. They need it on the data center side. They also need it on the fleshing out of service enablement, sales, etc. Europe is highly strategic because if you look at it just on a high level to level set, of the global 2,000 companies out there, it's 25%. Of global IT spend, it's 29%. So you're talking about lots of dollars where the US and Europe are up here. After that, it kind of drops off a cliff. In Asia, it's very great for consumer adoption, but in terms of enterprise buying, it's pretty low. So that's kind of just a level set of how we view the market. What we've actually built over a very short period of time is our European expansion platform, where we primarily invest in US-based companies, but we want to be able to make them as successful as possible getting into Europe. And what does that really mean? We help in a 5-point institutionalized program to help companies such as Datamir with strategy, really understanding which markets to go after, which countries to go after, when, the go-to-market itself of what's a right product market fit, do you go through direct, indirect, sales channel, how important are those things? And then when you're actually going to market, we like to get our hands dirty and really be able to help out.
Yeah.
So we help in things such as partnership introductions, really being able to help you with figuring out who are the large integration guys, the systems integrators of the world, like the Accentures, Capgeminis, to be able to get introductions there, but also local folks to give you credibility and access. Hiring and vetting folks, that's super important when you think about your leader that's out there. That's the person that he's going to hire the rest of your team.
Right.
How can we help hire and vet those folks?
Yeah.
And then lastly, it's really around direct customer introductions.
Right.
So we actually are unique in that we have a network of 75 C and VP level executives in what we call our European Advisor Network, where we can not only help do direct introductions, because these are IT buyers out there, but these are the folks that actually help with coaching and guiding our companies, really being able to navigate the countries as needed. So maybe a little bit more than you were expecting, but it's really this program that we've built out over the years, and we're super excited on continuing to build that out because it is a key differentiator for us.
We saw phenomenal success, right? And as a company, if you raising money, if you just go out for the highest valuation and not looking for value add, then I think you do something wrong, right? Because you want to make that money work for you, right? If that makes sense. So we saw phenomenal success in that platform.